Good afternoon everyone. This is a chapter 3 about the Bureau of Fire Protection. Qualifications and K position. Republic Act 9263 Section 7 specify qualification for KBFP position. 1. To be a municipal fire marshal, one needs the rank of for senior inspector at least 2 years of law school or 12 master units in a related field and completion of BFP training. For senior inspector daw po, ito ang rank na kailangan mong makuha bago ka maging municipal fire marshal. Para naman daw po makuha mo ang fire senior inspector, kailangan mo po ng maraming experience and also education tungkol sa pagiging firefighter ng 2 years. 2. A city fire marshal must be a fire chief senior inspector with at least 2 years of law school or 24 master units in a related field and must complete BFP training. Fire Chief Senior Inspector, ito ang rank na kailangan mong makuha bago ka maging Municipal Fire Marshal. Kailangan mo mag-aral ng 2 years above sa law at kailangan mong magkaroon ng 24 unit ng pag-aaral sa isang master degree tulad ng Fire Science. 3. Several BFP position require a fire superintendent rank, a law degree, or a master degree in a related field and completion of BFP training. Fire superintendent, ito po ay isa sa pinakamataas na rank sa BFP at para maging isang fire superintendent, kailangan mong maipasa ang bar exam at dapat graduate ka ng master degree. 4. Top BFP position require at least a fire senior superintendent rank, a law degree or relevant master degree, and completion of BFP training. Ang fire senior superintendent daw po ay may hawak ng malalaking fire station. Tumutulong po sila sa pagpaplano at pagpapatupad ng batas ng BFP. Five, the Deputy Chief and Chief Directorial Staff of the Bureau must be Fire Chief Superintendent, Philippine Bar, or hold a relevant master degree and complete BFP training. Bago mo po makuha ang rank na Fire Chief Superintendent, kailangan mo maipasa ang requirement tulad ng Philippine Bar at graduate ka sa master degree at makumpleto mo ang kinakailangang training sa BFP. Attrition System of Personnel. Republic Act 9263 Section 9 mandates the BFP to create an attrition system for uniformed personnel within 1 year to submit to the DILG for approval. BFP uniformed personnel demoted to a lower position must be assigned to a suitable rank within 2 years, otherwise they will be separated or retired for service. Pag na-demote daw po ang isang personnel, binibigyan siya ng 2 years na mag-resign sa rank niya ngayon. At pag hindi siya nakapag-resign, pwede siyang matanggal sa serbisyo. 2. BFP uniform personnel not promote for 10 years will be separated or retired expect for those in third level position. Kung ikaw ay isang personnel ng BFP na hindi pa napopromote sa loob ng 10 years, ay maaari kang matanggal sa serbisyo. Dahil ito po ay isang batas ng BFP. 3. BFP uniform personnel with a minimum of 5 years of active service may be separated based on specific factors yet to be detailed. Maaring matanggal ang isang personnel kung lumabag siya sa batas ng BFP. O kaya kung ang isang personnel ay hindi niya na kayang gampanan ang kanyang tungkulin, ay maaari na siyang matanggal sa serbisyo. A. Inefficiency due to poor performance over 2 consecutive rating periods. Ang empleyado ay maaaring kulang sa kakayahan para sa kanyang trabaho. B. Inefficiency due to poor performance over 3 cumulative rating periods. 3 beses po na masama ang kanyang ginagawa. Example ko po dito yung police brutality, tapos po yung pangungotong, tapos po yung aarestuhin ka sa bahay ni... Example ko po dito yung sa PNP. Aarestuhin ka na wala pong dalang warrant of arrest. Tapos po yung pangungotong, tapos po yung police brutality. Ayun po example ko dito. C. Inability to perform duties due to physical or mental limitation. Mabagal po ang process ng kanyang utak. Example ko po dito, yung sa BFP po. May nasusunugan na at hindi pa niya po alam kung ano po ang kanyang gagawin. 4. BFP personnel with less than 20 years of service are separated. Those with 20 or more years are retired unless legally disqualified from benefits. Pag 20 years ka na daw po sa serbisyo, pwede ka na makatanggap ng benefits, pero dapat wala kang nagawang illegal sa 20 years na yun. Promotion system of personnel. Within 6 months of the act effectivity, the DILG will establish a BFP and BGMP uniform personnel promotion system as per Section 10 of Republic Act number 9263. 1. The promotion system will be remit-based, consider available rank, and ensure gender fairness, providing equal promotion opportunities for women in the BFP. Wala daw pong bias, lalaki man o babae, lahat ay pwede ma-promote batay sa kanilang kakayahan sa serbisyo. 2. The following are the promotion requirements. A. BFP personnel must be minimum qualification of appropriate civil service, eligibility, and pass psychiatric, psychological, drugs, and physical test to be promoted. Para daw po ma-promote, kailangan pasado ka sa physical test, psychological, drugs, and physical test. Tapos po psychiatry. B. BFP personnel showing conspicuous courage and gallantry or select through a nationwide search by accredited civic organization may be promoted to the next higher rank subject to the DILG